Hey guys, welcome to VS Creator, and today in this video tutorial I gonna show you how to color grade Instagram post in Lightroom application. So without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Firstly, open your Play Store and search Lightroom and then download this Lightroom application. So I open my Lightroom. Go to the plus option and open your images. So open these both and then press add. I already opened these images in my Lightroom mobile preset folder. So this is the raw image. Now I apply my rich orange tone preset, which is really a nice preset. Go to the three dot option, slide, and just copy the settings and right click, go back and paste the preset on the raw image, slide and just paste it. Now you can see the before and after. This is really amazing in just one click, guys. So now we edit the second raw image. This is the second raw image. Now we edit it into the rich gray tone. Open this preset. These both presets are given in the link in description below. Just download and use it. Go to three dot option, copy all the settings. It takes a time. Copy settings and just right click, go back and open the raw image. Go to three dots, slide and just paste it. You just see that this I will edit it in the just only one click. You see before and this after. This is really amazing, guys. So download these presets, enjoy these presets, and thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.